Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide a picture as spoiler on Telegram for desktop. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Telegram application on my computer and I'm going to send a picture to this friend, and I'm going to hide the picture as spoiler. So first of all, I'm going to click on the photo or video and I'm going to pick random photo from my device, this one guys, and click on open. And if we want to hide this picture as spoiler, we can click on these three dots and then we can click on hide with a spoiler. Okay, and this is how the spoiler looks like. And then I'm going to click on send. Okay, and this is the final result. And okay guys, that's all the way to hide a picture as spoiler on Telegram for desktop. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.